Okay, this math worksheet is part of your math homework packet. Okay, it says write each number in standard form, and this is what a standard form looks like. They want you to write it just like that. So it has 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now number 1, what do they have? They have 10 blocks, right? Isn't that what we did this morning? Yeah. So each one of these right here is how much? 1,000. So how many of those do I have? 2. Do you have any hundreds? No, that would be just a single square. Okay. Those lines that look like this, those are how? Oh, those are what? Tens. How many of those do I have? 4. However, I'm going to have hundreds. What number am I going to use to replace that? A 0. And how many tens do I have? 4. How many ones?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. And that's how they want it in standard form. Right? So the answer for all those are going to go inside the boxes. However, look what it says for number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And 11. It says, what is the number? Write the place of the underlined digit, then write its value. So how many answers are going to go in the box? 2. Look at number 6. What number is underlined? 7. What place is it in? 1,000. So I'm going to write thousands. But what value is it? 7,000. How do I write that?
7, 0, 0.
And that's all you do for those. All right? For 12, look what it says. It says to write the number in what form? Expanded. What am I going to use? The zeros and plus signs, right? Just like this. This is 4,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 6. That's an expanded form. Then it says, 13 says, write the number in standard form. This is in standard form. And they give you the numbers already. Look, 1,067. And here's 1,280. So you have, for 12, you write it in expanded form, and 13, you write it in its standard form. So this worksheet is also part of your math packet. It says rounding to the nearest 10. So my answer is going to have how many zeros? 1. Look at 465. What number's in the tens place? 6. Okay, am I working with the 4 yet? No, so I put that down. Look at number to the right. What does the 5 say? Add 1, so what's 1 plus 6? 7, and replace the 5 with? 0. However, if I have a number like that, like 902, my answer is actually going to have 3 numbers. I mean, 2 zeros. Watch this. And what number's in the tens place? 0. Am I working with a 9 yet? No. Look at number to the right. What does the 2 say? So the 0 stays the same and replace the 2 with another 0. So in that case, I have 2 zeros. But most of the time, it's going to have just 1 when I'm rounding to the nearest 10. So remember, don't forget to do all of them. Now this worksheet says, it says expanded form, right? That's when I use the zeros and the plus signs. So look at the first one. I have 625. What comes first? 600. What do I use in between? Plus? Plus what? 20? Plus 5. That's it. So you do that for all of them. And for A through F. However, G through I They tell me to write each number in what? Standard form. So now I have to do the opposite. Okay, so I have 400 plus 20 plus 7. So I would just cross out the zeros and put the numbers together. 4, 2, 7. So again, just cross out the zeros and just put the numbers together. 4, 2, 7. All right. Now look at 8. I have 500 plus 9. So obviously 5 goes first. Do I have any 10s? No. So what number am I used to replace that? 0. And then what goes at the end? 9. That's all you need. All right. Look at M and N. It says which number is larger? Well, if I write this in expanded form, in standard form, I get 456, right? And here I have 400 plus 60 plus 5, so what number is that? 465. Which one's larger? 465. So you write 400 plus 60 plus 5. Now N says which one's smaller? So I have 400 and 736, and then I have 700 plus 60 plus 3, so I put those together. 763, which one's smaller? 736 or 763? 736. That's what you'll do.